Global Leader Training Center. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to talk about Simplified AI, which is all-in-one AI. You can generate images, you can use AI designs, you can use ChatGPT here, and you can use every single AI things that is now popular in this Simplified AI. One app powered by AI. To get started, go to simplified.com and then you will see this website. And then you can just press sign up or get simplified now. I'll just press this and then it'll ask you to log in. And then when you first log in, you'll be taken to this create workspace and this will ask you for your name of the workspace. I will just name it GLTC and then it'll directly create your workspace, and it'll suggest you some apps to try such as AI designer, AI video, AI writer, social media AI, project manager, link in bio, and AI agent. Maybe you can start by AI designers. And when you click on it, you'll be directly taken here, this AI designer by Simplified AI. Let's look at our Simplified Pro features. You can directly press upgrade now or this upgrade now in the left corner. And then it will show you the premium options. There isn't a lot to choose from, there's only one, and this is really nice. Simplified 1 yearly. You can choose monthly or yearly, but as yearly is a little cheaper, I will use this. Simplified AI yearly is $20 per month, and you can only use in one account, not more than one, and includes all the pro features with the crown. And you can use 100,000 AI words, you can access to GPT-4 and more. You can also access 7 social channels, analytics, inbox, and more. It also gives you 100 AI design generation per month and 50 AI video generations. You can create until 200 minutes of AI clips, and you can generate 90 minutes of AI subtitles and more. There's also 4,000 messages per month of AI chatbot, and you can buy add-ons and customize your plan. Here's the customized plan add-ons. You can choose how many video clips, how long you want to generate the video clips. You can directly press this plus button to increase, and the price will increase by that. There's also AI subtitle, you can increase if you want, social account, bulk import yearly, and social approval workflows, and prepaid set. If you increase this prepaid set, you can use it with multiple users. Okay, let's go back by pressing S. I think I'm okay with the free plan right now. And then we're going to get started by exploring the interface. As always we did, at the left there's toolbars and at the right there's like extra tools, and you can explore the things that people have created and the recommended features. And we're going to start by AI presentation. Press on this AI presentation, and then you can tell your topic. The topic of this presentation will be evolution of AI and development and companies and GPT. And then you can select the size by pressing this pencil icon between 16:9 and 1:1. I'm going to use 16:9. And then you can personalize your thing with brand book, but you can only choose the creativity level, and I'm going to use this to creative. Then it will be more creative presentation. Press next, and then you'll be able to choose the template you want. and these things with crown is not available, so the thing we can only use is this, just the first one. Press generate, and then it'll take few minutes to generate the video, to generate the and then it'll take just few seconds to generate the presentation. And then here's our generated presentation. Let's see from the first slide. In the first slide, there's like few image background and the title, AI Evolution Insight into Developments and Companies. There's also a little book. And let's go to next slide. And next slide it shows like a nice image and definition of AIs and some text. And second one also has the image, text, and the third, fourth, fifth, and everything goes similar as we go. But it seems the images are pretty related to the topic, so I love it. And if you want to edit this, you can just like other PPT or like PowerPoint, you can just double click and change it. GLTC by GLTC like this, and you can also add a new text by pressing this text, and here you can simply click on which text style you want to use. Maybe I want to go to typography, and then I will use this maybe tribal. You can drag and drop to bring it, and double click to change the text, such as maybe I want to GLTC again, and you'll see it's kind of nice font. And then you can also change the font by pressing on this font, and then you can search for the font you want from library. And in brand font, if you have a brand, you can use their font. Maybe I can use this font, and this font looks a little curvy. Maybe I need this one. Let me look for it. Oh, I think this one fits the most. And then I will just change the font size by pressing this decrease and increase font size like this. And then if you want to change the color, you can press on this color to change the text color. Maybe like you can choose from gradient. I want the color to be like this. Oh, I love this color. Maybe a little bit fixed, darker. Okay, love it. And then you can also make it bold. If it has bold font, you can make it italic, underlined, and strike through. I don't want underline and strike through, so I will cancel it. And you can also change the alignment of the text. Press on this alignment, and you'll be able to choose from right alignment, any alignment, left alignment, and middle alignment. Okay, then also there's extras. If you press on this, there'll be extra tools such as all capital uppercase, all lowercase, and title case. There's also subscript and superscript. There's also bullet list and ordered list. So if you want to use one of them, you can just press on extras. You can also change the spacing of the line height and spacing between the letters. Maybe I want a little bit space between letters like this. We don't have any lines, so I will just leave line height as 1. Okay, I love it. And then you can just bring it down by pressing ESC or pressing outside the box. And then when you hover over it, you will see this yellow little outlines. You can directly drag them to move it. And you can also, when you selected the text, when you drag the corner, you can change the size. But make sure when you change the size depend on the text style, it might be some errors. So I recommend you to change it by this decreasing font size. Maybe I can do 100 and like this. I love it. And then there's also effect, which will let you choose what effect you want to use in this text, such as none is selected as default, dashed outline, rounded outline. Maybe we can increase this to see. This is dashed outlines. You see rounded outline, glow outline, neon sign, outline. Okay, you can use the one you like, and the next, and we'll just leave this as none. And I'll just go back to what it was before by pressing Ctrl and Z. And then I really loved the glow, so I will use glow, and then you can change the appearance. Press on appearance and you'll be able to change the appearance of the text, such as background color, opacity, drop shadow, and others. Like first of all, we're going to use a background color, which will add the color to the background. Maybe this a little slightly gray will be okay. Okay, I love it. Maybe like this here, and then you can also change the color slightly like this. I love it. And then I'll change the alpha color like this, and then I'll go back, and then you can choose the opacity, visuality, maybe like this a little bit is okay. And you can also drop the shadow. Soft will drop a soft shadow, regular will drop a like stronger than soft, retro will drop really strong one. You can also choose the shadow color, as this one is like slightly gray. I want black color. Okay, I love it. And go back, and you can also choose the rotation of the shadow like this, maybe this one. You can also choose the distance from the text. I'll just disable the background color for now. You can also choose the blurriness, and you can also add strokes, which is outline of the text. Press on this button and it'll add a stroke. You can choose the stroke color, bring it here, and then I will change the appearance as strokes a little thicker strokes, like this much thick. And I'll change the color as purple. Maybe I can increase a little more. And then there's also curved text, which will allow the text to be curved simply like this. You can choose downward or upward, and you can adjust the curvedness of this. I think this is enough, and I'll put at the very corner. There's also animate. Animate lets you use the animation, like press get started, and then it will show you simple animation. And there's enter and exit. Enter effect is when it is appearing, and exit effect is when it is going to the next slide. Like enter will be fly in maybe, or like fade in, wipe in. You can hover over to the see the example, reveal in, block reveal in, shift tumble in, flicker. You can choose the one that best fits you. Maybe I think I will use block reveal in. And then you can choose the direction, left, right, top, bottom. Direction, left, right, top, and bottom. I think from bottom is the best for me. And I will just move this a little bit to the bottom. Okay, I love it. And you can choose the animation speed, slow, normal, or fast. Slow will make it really like a little bit slower. Normal will be just as it is. Fast will be faster animation. I'll just leave it as normal. And there's also a loop, which will make this same animation goes again and again same. And the next is Ask AI. If you press on Ask AI, this magic AI is a quick access AI. Like you can quickly access the AI tool, such as exploring these things. You can directly ask AI to do it. And the next one is present. If you press on present, you'll be able to showcase your presentation to other people. Like this, you can present it showcase your presentation to others. Let's see, there'll be animation coming at the left corner. It comes back like this. I love it. Okay, and then if you press this drop down arrow, you can autoplay or start from beginning. Autoplay will automatically play the presentation, and start from beginning will start the presentation from beginning. And next is share. If you press on share, you can share to other people, such as using emails, such as if you like a GLTC student, you can choose from Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook.com, and if you want more, you can just write other emails. Okay, and you can share it. There's also export. If you press on export, you can choose how you export: PNG, transparent PNG, JPG, video, or GIF. You can also choose between low, medium, and high resolution, maybe medium, and or artboards or the selected page. And then you can save into your asset, download, and it's done. Let's see. And when you unzip this file, you can see that there's 11 artboards, there's simplified logo below, and I think there's all 11 images are pretty nice. I can use it. And you can also add media by pressing this media button. You can choose which image you want, or video, GIFs, and you can even search, such as I will just bring this GIF like this, drag and drop as we always did, and here's our GIF. You can scale it down and place it somewhere here. Okay, maybe here. I like it, but I want this image to be above this one. In this case, you can use these layers. If you press on it, you can choose which image will go up and which image will go down. Such as if I bring this above this video, you will see that this Tom goes behind the image. Like this, if I put like this, and I want this text to be above, you can just bring the text above them all, and you'll see the text comes out. You can use this when you have multiple images or text, and I like it. And then I will go to visuals. If you press on visuals, you'll be able to bring some shapes, charts, and making shapes, origami, and patterns. There's more about it, but I think this origami looks really cute. Let me bring this origami by pressing this view all, and I can choose from here. Maybe something like this. I will scale this little down, put it above the letter. I think it has to be go back. In this case, we can use the layers again. Okay, I love it. And then if you want to draw something, you can also do by going to draw, and you can select which pen or paint you want to use, such as pencil, highlighter, and brush and eraser. I think this brush looks really cute. You can select the brush color by pressing this color palette, maybe like a little bit of purple, and this you'll see that the color change here. And then there's also text alignment. When you like, you can put the text you want by pressing this and then dragging. And you can also, and then I'll use brush again, and in here there's brush size, stroke weight. You can increase or decrease the size or use the preset given. I think this much is enough. And then there's also this lines. You can use lines or dot, like end-to-end lines or arrow lines, shapes, triangle, rectangle, and circle. And there's also switch selection mode and grab the artboard. Grab the artboard will let you drag, move around, and this selection will let you select the things by dragging. and I will just draw like this. Maybe GLTC. Like this, I really love it. And you can go to AI apps now. These AI apps will bring the AI powered application to your presentation. So you can use any AI tool here directly, like AI image to video. You can put the image you want, like this. I brought an American woman generated by AI, and then I can press generate. And maybe I want to do another one except image to video, maybe AI image generator. I want like oil painting or neon punk style. Uh, Man working, standing between neon punk style buildings. I press generate, and after a few seconds this will be generated, and you can drag and drop the image. Okay, I love it. Maybe I can place it right here. Okay, good, I love it. Okay, and this is all about presentation generation. You can save it. You can go back by pressing this go back button. And here we go. You'll see our project in project panel. And let's go back to dashboard. And you'll see that there are different types of things. And as we studied, and we're going to AI image generator. Click on it. And you'll be able to generate some AI images. Let us write like similarly as we did in our presentation. Close up shot of a woman with blondie hair sitting on a tree. Okay, and we'll choose the styles. Maybe I want the style as cinematic. And then here you can choose aspect ratio such as 1:1 scale, standard 4:3, standard 3:4, landscape, and real. I think real is nice, and I don't want more generation, I only want one. And you can also press this drop down button to see the suggested camera angle. Maybe I want like face focus and negative prompt as dark, night, and anymore. I will press generate. I think the result is pretty good. Like it seems like it's similar to Midjourney, and when you press on it there will be some options such as upscale, remove, generate variations, edit image, download, and copy. I will start with upscale. If you press on it you'll be able to upscale the image as the resolution you want. Maybe I want to 4x 4K. Press on it to upscale the image. You either use the artificial intelligence to upscale the image. And then directly next I'm going to remove background, and just click it and press remove background. That's all. Okay, it's subtracted background, but some parts are not really good because the color is similar to each other. I'm pretty sure that this will work better in next future. And I'll press download. And if you want to open it in editor, you can just press open in editor. Download, you can just download save images. And then in editor you can directly edit the image, but we're going to learn about this next time. So close all tabs opened, and here's the enhanced image resolution. I'll zoom in a little bit. Okay, and when you drag this bar you'll see that The image has been enhanced a little bit. Like, I think when you look at the tree, it will look better now. AI can now even enhance the image you can download. I love it. And next is this generate variation. When you press on it, you can generate the variation, similar variation for it. But I don't really have quota now, so I will not do it. You can try it now. And next one is edit image. When you press on it, you'll be able to edit the result image. I will show you now. And you'll be able to edit image right here, same as the thing before. And you can just press like my assets. You can add text as sitting on tree, move it like this, maybe medias like this. You can edit the image directly. And next is download. You can simply download the image. And next one is copy prompt. This will copy the prompt and you can just directly Ctrl V to paste the same prompt. I like it. And we'll be moving on to generate color palette. When you press on it, and like you can generate color palette from the image of your project. Press on it. I'm going to bring the image I've downloaded and press just you'll see it, the AI detects the color palette. You can move around by pressing and dragging these little circles. It even detects which color it is. I love it. And then you can press download to download the color palette as image or PDF. When you download it, you'll see that the download will show the image you downloaded, codes, names, and the color. I really love this feature. Maybe I can use it when I'm making a project. Okay, let's go back. And next is eraser tool. When you press on eraser tool, you'll be able to remove it'll show you the tool that remove the unwanted image. Maybe I can just bring the logo I made before like this, and I don't want text right here. You can drag the part, and you can also increase the brush size like this and erase that part. Press download to download the image, and you'll see that it is deleted. You can use this in PNG images for better result. Okay, and go back. And next is generative filter. When you press on it, you'll be able to take this image and then press edit photo. And I don't really have credits right now, so this will allow you to edit the photo and generate the part of the image you want. And this magic remove tool is also similar. It removes the unwanted image. Blur image background is the tool to remove the background, to blur the background. Maybe I can bring something like this, and you can increase the amount of blur. I want like 56 because it's already blurred. And then this will blur your image, and I don't really have credits or so you can go back. You will see 5 out of 5 of my credits are gone. And the tweet to image, let's press on it, and this will allow to convert tweet into an image. So choose source, you can press on this, and account name, account nickname, and message. I'll just use this given thing. And the background, you can choose the background you want, such as maybe I want this. You'll see it directly changes. Maybe I can change to GLTC class, and the message, AI will change the word. And so you can change the appearance. Maybe instead of Instagram post, I can use Facebook post, YouTube video size, maybe light theme, Pinterest pin. You can also change the content width, corner roundness. Let me change it to Instagram post. Scale of the image, shadow, and more. Press generate to generate the image. And it's all done. You can download and post it in your Insta or something. We're going back to home, AI designer, and this is all of the quick tools, and you can check out more by going to back to simplified home and then using AI magic tools. If you press on it, you'll see like so many AI tools. And I'm going to change the account because I don't really have any more credit left. Like this, when you're out of credit, you can use different account. I'll use Scribble to Art, and you can directly draw something. I'll erase everything first. Okay, and then we can draw something like this. I'm drawing a woman watching the art from the museum. I'll name this woman watching pot above the table from the museum. Generate. And here's our result. There's a woman watching the pot on the table in the museum. Okay, I really love it. I can download. And let me go back to our tools. And then next we are going to look at replace background tool. I'll use this image, I think. Edit photo. And it directly change the background. Also you can use other tools, but I don't want to waste my credits, so I'm going back. I loved it. And you can use as much as you want, like video compressor and image to video. Let me try this. Yes, this one. Generate. And let's see what happens to the video. And the video is generated. I think it is quite alright, as it is just a startup thing. Okay, I love this designer. And next we're going to try convert image. If you press on it, when you upload any image you have, and you just have to choose which image file you want to save as, such as JPEG, WEBP, BMP and JPG. Maybe I want it as WEBP, and just simply press convert. Then your PNG or JPG or other type of image will be changed into image file you selected. And then simply press download and you'll see it is converted to WEBP. Convert video is also works same as convert image, so you can use the thing as same as we did. And we're going to do this SVG wave generator. If you press on it, you'll be able to generate SVG waves. Just first select the color you want. I want a little purple. And you can even customize the color by pressing this other palette. Okay, this much is enough, I think. You can adjust the height, layers, and amount of waves. Press download. And as you see, you'll see that this is SVG file, SVG, and you'll be able to make like few of this more colors and use it as your background or like in presentation. Okay, and the next one is remove audio. In this remove audio, you'll be able to remove audio from the video just in one click. Speed video will speed up the video in the speed you want, 1.5, 2 times like this. Reverse will reverse the video. Merge video will merge two clips into one video. Restore image to video, and there's a lot of it. And the next one we are going to try is AI avatar generator. Just simply upload the picture. I think I'm going to use this woman, and when you upload, you can select the number of generation. I think I'll generate 4, maybe 2 might be enough. And you can select the style like cartoon, 3D cartoon style, pencil, like Illustrator, and water paint. I think this the first style is the best, and I'll press generate. And let's see the result. And here is our generation. You'll see this beautiful woman with blondie hair. I really love the generation. It looks similar to the image I provided. I'll just simply press download to download this. And you'll see that it is downloaded. And you can download the second image by pressing the second image and pressing download. I love it. And today's video is done with this. And in the next video, we're going to learn about AI video, AI writers, social media AI magic tools, project management, link in bio, AI agent. There's tons of simplified AI features, and in the next video we're going to cover like half or all of them, so you have to keep in track, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.